How far are you willing to go for fame? TikTok has made your journey to fame a bit closer. Today, if you want to be famous, all you need is just your phone and, of course, a few life hacks. TikTok has caused a massive hype in the world of social media and is a platform that will stay on top of the radar for everyone. Here are 5 life hacks for successful TikToking. Number 1, create disruptive content. You see, youngsters, they love the uninhibited vibe of the platform. I mean, out of the box and original contents work here. You can also dive into viral ideas that can help you better engage with your target audience. Dancing, lip syncing challenges, these are the core. Follow the trending hashtags. They will help you in creating your own contents. And don't forget to mention them in the description because this will help to improve the visibility of your posts. And number 2, identify your niche. You see, most famous TikTokers stick to a particular niche that is in line with your profession or personal brand. You see, focused content not only attracts the right followers, but also brings immense engagement and great awareness for your brand. Zach King, who is a top grossing TikToker, is a video editor by profession. He started out by making YouTube tutorials about Final Cut Pro. You see, when he joined TikTok, he used his video editing prowess to create illusion videos. And today, Zach King is among the top TikTok influencers and partners with a lot of brands. And number 3, guys, collaborate with influencers. How can a regular person make it big on TikTok? The answer is influencer marketing. You can strike partnership deals with influencers who are basically users with high follower count. And when these influencers engage or promote your content, you can easily climb the popularity chart. And number 4, don't rush to invest in advertising. You see, because advertising on TikTok hasn't been explored or used as widely as on Facebook and YouTube. Youngsters are using TikTok for self-expression. They don't need to click on your commercials or your brands in general. I mean, tickle their curiosity or get their most favorite influencer to take over your channel for a day. TikTok is introducing some new features that a lot of businesses can use to improve their sales and their leads as well. But of course, you'll need a strong budget and a great strategy before you can embark on that road. Finally, number 5, and I think the most important, be wild. If you think your video is weird, post it, because that's what TikTok is all about. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the links with your friend, stay tuned, and learn updated English with Yappy Corporate. Bye.